Let's read the book. Where's the dog?
Dog.
Yeah, where's the dog? Do you see the dog?
Dog.
Dog, yeah, right there, right? Dog?
Dog.
Good. What else do you see? Do you see a dog on this page? Where's the dog?
Dog.
Good.
Dog. Dog.
Where's the dog?
Dog.
Dog. Let's find the page where they eat the hot dog.
Dog. Dog.
What's that?
Dog.
Turn the page. Dog? That's right. That's right. That's a dog.
Yes. Oh, dog.
Look, Kaylin. Here's the page where they get the hot dog. Is that a dog?